Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Octane392, and it's that time again. It's giveaway time. So you might be wondering what's going to be the giveaway, of course. Well, if you can't tell by now, BadFlag has partnered with us to do an awesome giveaway. So this giveaway, we're going to be giving away some BadFlags. As you can see, they're pretty big, good size. And also, if you're wondering, this is a BadFlag flagpole. Comes with two suction cups, so you can mount these on like windows or side of cars, back of trucks, what have you. It's a cool little suction situation they got going on here, that two of those. So getting back to the giveaway. The giveaway is one per person. So I'm assuming there's more than one BadFlag in here. It's pretty thick. Now, this is a really big flag. So let's see. I'd like to thank BadFlag again for partnering with us to do this. So, wow, we have one BadFlag, two BadFlags, three BadFlags, and four. So, of these four, I'll be posting pictures of them right here. And of these four, what you need to do to enter this month's giveaway is to go to my last video, comment something you'd like to see in my next video, also something about the video that I did, whether you like it or not. Any criticism is good criticism. So, I wish you guys good luck in winning this month's giveaway. There'll be 4 lucky winners named on April 1st at 8 p.m. on my IG Live TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to the channel to be entered in this month's giveaway. Good luck. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!